guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have a how to look like a snack video. Like, do I look like a snacky snack to you? Like, do you want to eat me? Really wrong choice of words there. It's midnight and I'm getting a little bit frisky. So today I decided to do a how to look like a snack slash baddie makeup look, and this look is the kind of look that I would go for if I'm just like, I don't know what to do. I want to look cute, but I don't know what to do. This is my look. Okay, I'm always in this goldy yellow eye look with like super glowy cheeks and like nude lip, but like a darker nude lip with hoops. Girl, you look effortlessly beautiful, but then again, when you really put on them cakes and them pounds and you're like, this is not effortless. Okay, this is a lot of effort. Truly hate myself. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I got this look, don't forget to like and subscribe. You know the deal with that. And if you guys want to see more of this kind of videos, then just please subscribe. Not please keep on watching. If you guys want to know how I got this look, then you please keep on watching. You know what I mean? Oh, I really need help with intros now. I really suck at it. Okay, I know I'm very up close and personal right now. So I wanted to talk about the palette that we're going to be using today. And you guys don't have to use this palette, of course. But this is a throwback palette. Okay, I'll be using the Mustard by Mario palette. Mustard palette by Mario from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is true and true one of my favorite go-to palettes if I want to do like a quick makeup look. I just want to look cute real quick. I'm gonna pop this out. Like, this is gonna come out. So today we're gonna be using this palette, and this is how I got this look over here. So let's jump right into it. Okay, I'm doing the whoa now. Take a big fluffy brush like that. I'm gonna take the shade Isabel from this palette. If you guys have this palette, you guys know that basically this palette is the most basic palette in the world, but it's not a bad thing. It's extremely basic that you can use it all the time for any kind of situations. Like if you're traveling, you can use this. You know, you can go with a brown smoky eye, a green smoky eye, a blue smoky eye, a pink, a red, a maroon, a cranberry. Like, it is such a versatile palette that honestly nothing can compare to it right now. I recently used it when I was going out for my cousin's birthday and I had no idea what to use, so I just used this palette. I just took out this palette and immediately I was just like blown away. Like, I was like, oh my god, I forgot how good this palette was. God damn. I'm gonna go in with the shade Lula and I'm just going to blend that into my crease. So he has this really cool tone gray eyeshadow, which I think is to match like certain cool tone shades like Paris, Claudia, NYC. It's whatever. Like I wouldn't, like, I'm using it now, but I don't really reach for this cool tone gray eyeshadow. But if you're into cool tone gray eyeshadow, like, trust me girl, you will love this. Like, it's such a pretty gray, I'm not gonna lie. Next I'm gonna go into the shade Violetta. Now girl, this is what I do, okay, when I want to look like a baddie. Like I'm a snack. I'm the cutest little patootie in the world. This is what I do. And it's to create this like cat wing eye at the outer corners with your eyeshadow, which actually makes a huge difference. So what I'm going to do is going to take a dark brown eyeshadow like that, and you're just going to make like a liner line there. Okay? And you're gonna bring it into your eyelids, but just like by 3/4, not even a lot. And then tap off whatever excess you have. See that wing? You're just going to blend it into your crease, but you're not gonna bring it all the way in. So you see this, like, this little small space right here. We're gonna keep that triangle situation over there, okay? This is to give the eye a really nice winged out look. You don't have to put on eyeliner after this, actually. Like, that's the perfect thing about this eye look, is you don't have to put eyeliner, but I like an eyeliner going on, and it also helps me hide the bands of my lashes. So that's what I'll be doing. But if you don't have lashes or you don't want to use, this is the perfect kind of eye look. Now I'm gonna take my SNH Cosmetic Glow and Glitz All Day Spray, and I'm going to spray it on my brush. I'm going to go into the shade Kim. Kim is literally my favorite shade. Like, I will show you guys later how banged up it looks. I'll put that all over my crease. All over my eyelids. But just keeping it right before that brown. Then I'm going to go into my fingers. I'm going to take the shade Fifth Avenue. I'm just putting it right at the center, and I'm using it. I'm using my fingers to blend them out. Now that we're done with the liner, I know that's really quick, but for lashes I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty Samantha lashes. What does it look like? This, and I'm gonna apply mascara off camera and lashes off camera, and then I'll be back. Don't I feel all baddie now with the hoops, but then with the face that's like there's nothing on it, so it's ugly. So okay, so for primer I'm gonna be using my Becca Backlight priming filter, and this primer I want to use with this specific foundation because it is very matte, like the foundation I want to use. I have talked about it in many of my videos, but oh, I'm gonna sorry, but the mirror is gonna be here. I can't see. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. I remember being super duper in love with this foundation, and I have not used it in so long. The most recent shades have not came out in Singapore yet, which I'm so angry. Like, hello, how long are you gonna wait? So I'm just gonna mix it in with the cover drops. When you're watching this, Puasa has already commenced, like probably a week or 2 weeks ago. Oh my god, which reminds me, I have to start doing all my Raya looks. Oh girl, I have a few outfits that are ready for Raya. Well, actually not a few, I literally have a closet full of Raya clothes that I could probably wear for the next 3 years because I went to Dubai and your girl shopped like a crazy mofo. That means I have a few Raya clothes that I can start preparing what kind of makeup looks I want to go with it, and I can film it for you guys. And I'll do some with looks, some with colors, and then some with, you know, your basic gold neutral colors, because let's be real, we all want to look neutral and not so crazy on Raya. But actually that's not true. Your girl's very crazy. Also, I won't be in Singapore for at least 1 week of Raya. I will be in Perth, Australia, with my sister and her husband and her kids. I'm so excited. I've never been to Perth in my entire life, so if you guys have any recommendations on where to go, you can put it in my comment section down below. Oh my god, is my cup still there? I wanted to remove it for 2 weeks now. I always recommend you to blend your foundation down your neck, because you know what, sometimes your foundation can be a real shade of bullshit. You just gotta deal with it. I'm gonna go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. Does anybody have a problem with this concealer creasing like a little bitch for them? Because I don't know, everyone loves this concealer, but I will probably never ever repurchase this concealer because it creases on me every single time I put it on. Every single time. I don't know if it's my under eyes or what, I have no idea, but the Too Faced Born This Way concealer never does that to me. So like, I don't know if it's this concealer or sometimes I just put it on my eyes on days that my eyes are like super duper dry. I really don't know, and I'm so pissed off. Okay, today I decided that I want a cream contour. I don't know why, but your girl's feeling it. I feel like I want a cream contour using the Fenty Beauty Mocha Stick. I'm not gonna do my forehead. My forehead is quite small. Have you guys seen the new Fenty bronzers? Oh my god, dude, I am so excited. By the time you guys see this video, the bronzer has probably been out for at least a month and a half now. Wow, I really suck at editing, I know. But dude, I am so excited to try the bronzers. I'm so angry that Sephora like did not bring out the bronzers during the 20% off. I'm like, you know my bitches will get it, but then also like it's a new release and then like they get 20% off immediately. It kind of sucks for Fenty itself. So now that we're a little bit chiseled, I'm gonna take my highlighter. This is the Marc Jacobs Do You Gel Highlighter, and I'm going to basically put that on my cheekbone. But I've been watching Harry Potter. Okay, I've been watching. I only watched one series so far. And if you guys don't know, I don't like Harry Potter. Like, before this, I did not like Harry Potter. I don't know why I did not like. Oh, I know. Okay, so I didn't like it because the only freaking Harry Potter thing that I was watching was Prisoner of Azkaban. Oh my god, I hated Harry Potter because that was the only thing I was watching. Because it was the only one that was on TV. It was always Prisoner of Azkaban. And what's that? The first one, the one that I just watched, what's it called? The Sorcerer's Stone or the Philosopher's Stone. So I'm thinking if I should skip the whole Prisoner of Azkaban because that's all I watched. But then again, I feel like if I don't watch it, I might miss out, and I might have missed out a lot of things because every time Prisoner of Azkaban came on, I'm the first one to leave the room. Anyways, I'm gonna be taking my Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder while I continue talking. So I was fasting while watching that show, and the whole way all I could think of was, wow, is it gonna end when is Buka? Like, mind you, it was only 3 o'clock, okay? But I was like, shit, this movie is so long. So I'm just going to set my chin with this powder, my nose, and my forehead. Basically places that I highlighted. As you can see, it's the most lightest part of my skin right now. Also, I realized I have this thing that if I'm sleeping, like if I'm like taking a nap in the afternoon and someone like comes in and talk to me, I'm in this realm of like, I don't know if it's a dream or if it's something that's actually happening. So there was once, it was 7 o'clock and my dad tried to wake me up from my sleep. It's like obviously to get me to wake up and to pray and all of that. And like, he just said it like really like normally. Apparently this is what he said. So he just said it normally like, Khadijah, wake up. Like, it's 7 o'clock, it's Maghrib, you have to wake up, wake up. And I just went, Abba, stop shouting. I was just like, I was so like, and he just went, I'm not shouting. And I was like, well, stop talking so loudly. He's just like, what the hell? So I found out later on, he was like, I wasn't even screaming at you, you know. And then I'm like, no, you were really loud. Like, you were just like shouting. And he's like, I'm not shouting, I said to you. And I'm like, it's so scary. Like, that's so weird. My brain like goes into this shock of like, when I just wake up, it doesn't know what to do. So it's just like, it was a bit cray, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, that was the first time that's ever been very apparent. And my dad told me about it, which is so funny. He was just like, that's so weird, why would you say I'm shouting at you? Oh yeah, I'm using my Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer just to bronze my skin. And then to contour my face, I'm taking my Catrice Prime and Fine just to give it a really dark chisel there. So for that baddie, that cute SNACC kind of blush, I would usually go for a nudie blush. So I'm taking Kylie's blush in the shade Close to Perfect. And I'm just going to take my Morphe E4. I'm pretty sure it's called E40 actually. Or maybe it's just E4, I don't know. Blush, and I'm just going to apply that onto my cheeks. It's like a nice, warm, peachy blush. I love myself a really cheeky blush. Put that on my nose, my chin, and on my forehead. For the highlights, I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. Okay girl. And I'm gonna mix this and this two together so we can get that perfect highlight. I don't know why I keep doing that, you know. Do I really think I'm doing the wool? Like, You know, I just want to know. Like, Khadijah, do you really think you're that cool? Like, really? So anyways, I'm gonna spray my face first, like just the side of my face, just to get it wet so we can get the look. Then again, I'm gonna mix the shade Tahiti and Seychelles together. Then I'm gonna spray just a little bit. Just take the shade Seychelles just right here. So I'm gonna do the lower lashes off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, so I did my eyes, so now we can go back to, sorry, we can go back to the lips. So for the lips, I'm going to use the Catrice lip liner in Upper Brown Side. You guys, I have an obsession with this lip liner. I understand. I have a problem. And then for my actual lip color, I'm going to take Kylie Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade Commando. Okay, so this is the completed baddie look. I feel like the lips need to be a little bit darker. It's too peachy, it needs to be a bit more brownie nude. So I'm gonna take Kat Von D's Lolita and I'm just gonna like just literally tap it on my lips. Yay! So this is the completed look. It's very baddie, very I'm cute, but like also is this even the real me? Like the real me is really sitting at home watching Netflix. Like in my pajamas, like with my specs on, hair in a bun, like I'm a finesse y'all into thinking I look this cute. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys know how to look like a snack now. Like you guys look real cute, little snacky snack. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you girls. Bye.